Hello students, welcome to our online classes. In today's lecture we study about electric potential due to an electric dipole. Consider an electric dipole AB, let minus q to the charge at point A and plus q to the charge at point B, and P be the electric dipole moment. We have to calculate electric potential at point P, which is r distance apart from the center of the dipole. Let theta be the angle made by the position vector and electric dipole moment P. This distance is A and this distance is A. The length of dipole is 2A. And the formula for electric potential is work done per unit charge equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught q over r. So, electric potential at point P due to charge at A. In this case, the potential is equal to negative of 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught q over r. This distance is taken as r. That is equation first. Similarly, electric potential at point P due to charge at B. Let the distance from charge and point is R2. So potential becomes VB equal to plus 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught q over R2. That is equation second. Since electric potential is a scalar quantity, so total or net potential at point P due to whole dipole is given as V equal to V1 plus V2 and V equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught q over r1 plus 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught q over r2, and in this case q over 4 pi epsilon naught equal to 1 over r2 minus 1 over r. Result number third. If we have the values of R1 and R2, so potential will be calculated. For R1 and R2, we produces this line in forward direction. This will be O dash, and this angle theta. So this angle is also theta. Drive perpendicular on O dash produced. This point is M, and from triangle OAM, cos theta equal to base over hypotenuse, and base of this triangle is OM and hypotenuse is A. So OM equal to A cos theta. If the given dipole is an ideal dipole, in case of ideal dipole, 2A nearly equal to 0, A nearly equal to 0. If distance is very small, so this distance AP is nearly equal to MP. If the given dipole is an ideal dipole, then AP is nearly equal to OP plus OM, and AP, the distance between the point A and P, we have R1 which is equal to OP यानी r बटा एंड प्लस OM इक्वल टू A cos theta. We have R1 from this relation, that is result number 4. In further, we draw a perpendicular from B to OP. Let this point is N. If the given dipole is an ideal dipole, then the distance from B and P is nearly equal to P and N. So from the triangle OBN, cos theta equal to base or hypotenuse equal to ON, and hypotenuse is A, and ON equal to A cos theta. Again, if given dipole is an ideal dipole, the distance is very small, so BP is nearly equal to PN. BP is nearly equal to OP minus ON, and PN equal to OP minus ON. We obtain this distance, and BP is R2 equal to R minus A cos theta. This result is fifth. And now from equation third, fourth and fifth, we can calculate net potential of the dipole at point P, which is equal to Q over 4 pi epsilon naught 1 over R2, यानी कि R minus A cos theta minus 1 over R plus A cos theta. If we solve this again, Q over 4 pi epsilon naught R plus A cos theta minus R plus A cos theta over R square minus A square cos square theta, and R is cancelled out. So net potential is 2A cos theta 2AQ cos theta over 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus A square cos square theta. We already know P, electric dipole moment, equal to product of either charge and length. Instead of 2AQ, we can write P, that is electric dipole moment. So formula becomes P cos theta over 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus A square cos square theta, which is required relation for electric potential due to an electric dipole. Now imagine two special cases of this relation. First is if theta equal to 0 degree. If theta is 0, then point P lies on axial line of the dipole. Point P lies on axial line of the dipole. If we put theta equal to 0 from here, then V equal to cos 0 1 and P over 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus A square. That is the expression for potential on axial line. Second special case, most important these cases are if theta equal to 90 degree. If theta becomes 90, then point P lies on equatorial line of the dipole. So V equal to, if we put theta here 90, then cos 90 0. Cos 90 equal to 0, and so potential is 0. In previous lecture we studied about potential, that is work done per unit charge. So work done on equatorial line of the dipole is 0. बेटा ये लाइन इक्विटोरियल लाइन होगी और इस इक्विटोरियल लाइन पर जो वर्क डन है 0 है. इट मींस इफ we move a charge body from point O to any point lies on equatorial line, then the work done is 0 and potential is 0. So potential on the axial line of the dipole is given by this formula, and potential on the equatorial line is given by this formula, and potential on the equatorial line is 0. This will be main expression for electric potential due to an electric dipole. Thank you.